My name is Fiaz Pirani. I'm the CEO of HealthLabs, and I recommend National LED. HealthLabs is a direct-to-consumer lab testing company. We work with major laboratories like LabCorp and Quest Diagnostics and try to get consumers tested for a variety of infections and conditions. We just purchased this facility, and so it was shelf space when we bought it. We changed out the ceiling and built the electrical. National LED did a really good job in keeping everything organized and being responsive. And so prior to us having lights from you guys, it was shelf space, and we were in our old facility. That if you shop around, you'll find that the price is competitive and the service is good. It's effectively a no-brainer.